Everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are going to be making what?
French toast.
French toast.
Actually, I'm going to be making the French toast. My mom's going to be over there eating dinner.
Because we have not had dinner yet, and so I wanted to eat before the video. She wanted to eat after, so she's going to be making the French toast while I eat. But we are using a recipe from
Paula Deen.
Yep, Paula Deen's My First Cookbook. So this is a really good cookbook for kids. It tells them everything that they're going to need, and the directions are very simple. So, you think you can handle it, Millie?
I've made it before.
Good. I think you can handle it then. All right. Have fun.
She'll come over here if I need her. So first I need to grab one egg. Let's grab the eggs. And it says to tap it on the side of the counter. So that gives it a nice crack. There we go. Okay, so next you have to add cinnamon, sugar, and milk, and then whisk. So I'm gonna add in 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon to scoop out 1/8 of it. You can smell the cinnamon. So I'm just going to put that in there with the egg. Okay. I'm just going to leave that to add the sugar. Add 3 of these.
Is it a tablespoon?
Yeah, it says 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
Nope,
3
I'll keep
tablespoons?
going.
Okay.
Alright, so that's 1. 2. And 1 more. 3.
Good.
Okay, so
That for you.
done with the sugar. That's what it looks like so far. The cinnamon, the sugar, and the egg. Okay. Now we need to add in the milk, which is 1 tablespoon. So we're going to pour in the milk. Okay. So we're good with that. Now whisk everything together. It looks like a brown, yellow, kind of like a spicy mustard or something maybe. Okay, so first I'm just going to set this off to the side. And we're not using regular bread. So we have to get rid of this bread. So we're using French bread, well, which is basically perfect because it's French bread, French toast.
I like that. Good job.
So I'm going to put in
And what kind of knife are you using to cut the bread?
a bread knife.
Bread knife. So it should make cutting very easy.
We're going to go kind of thick, so about here. So about right
So
here.
about 1/2 inch.
And then just going to right there.
How
And
many
there's the
pieces
first piece.
do you need to?
There.
2 tablespoons. So yeah, we'll just use all this one.
Okay, so first,
Heat the skillet over medium heat.
so we're just going to turn this on.
Turn it to the 3rd.
Medium.
Put it on this side.
Oh, wait,
There you go.
side, huh?
Right there. Okay.
Okay, so we're just going to let these sit. Well, that's sitting. I'm going to go ahead and like dip the
move this.
pieces into our stuff. So this is the first piece
it
going
gets
in.
closer to over here.
I'm just gonna do that, and I'm going to turn it.
Let me get you a plate to put that on while this is melting.
Okay.
I'll just use this one.
Okay. I'll just grab another plate then. So here's our first piece of bread coated with that stuff. Okay.
It's yummy.
Now we're going to do this
Smells yummy.
piece. We're just gonna wait for a minute. I'm just gonna
put all of them in the pan.
I'm just gonna go ahead and flip that one.
There
Ooh,
we
that
go.
one got
That's
nice. Here, I'm gonna. Ooh. Right there. Real quick. And that's the one. I'm just waiting on this one to kind of be ready. Got a little dark right here. Well, not burnt, but it's little like that one around the edges a little bit. So we're just gonna let it cook, and I will flip this one back over. Okay, so let's just check this side real quick. Ooh, that one looks nice. Mom, come here. This one looks really good. I'm just gonna make sure it's cooked because I think I had pancakes that were not cooked one time, and I'm not going back there again. The oven, and here are our cooked.
French toast.
Yeah, I wasn't sure how to word it.
Using French bread.
Yes. So what you could do is to top it, you can use syrup, jelly, peanut butter, butter.
I'm sorry. Sorry. I was gonna grab this because it's
butter, and you could use powdered sugar if you use syrup. So
sorry.
you can hear that sizzle from the water. My mom's putting water on the pan so it cools. We're going to put. Mom, do we have any regular syrup besides healthy syrup?
No. All we have is sugar-free syrup. So we have
I don't want sugar-free syrup.
Great Value sugar-free syrup or Walden Farms.
Sugar-free syrup.
Yeah. I know. She doesn't like sugar-free syrup.
I don't
dad
want
and
sugar-free anything.
Her dad and I try to eat healthy, and we try to get her to eat healthy.
Which I
but
will not.
She doesn't think the healthy things taste good. Sometimes she's right, but sometimes the healthy things do taste good. If I were you, I'd go with Walden Farms. That's the one. Is it hiding? It's hiding.
Well, my mom's going to grab that real quick. Isn't that the one Dad got for us?
Not this one,
Okay.
but yes. So show them what it looks like.
This is the Walden Farms pancake syrup.
Now with this syrup, it's got 0 calories.
So you can have as much as you want.
Exactly. But if you get other brands that are sugar-free, they usually have, I think, about 10 calories a serving, or what is it, 15?
This one has 15 calories.
Per serving? Yeah.
I'm not
So
sure what
this
brand
one we found at Vitamin Shop.
Where'd you get this
And I believe Food Lion might have this as well. But this tastes really good. To me, it doesn't taste healthy, but to Millie, it does, though. All right. So do you want to pour it on?
Yeah, I'm going to pour it on, and I might put on a little powdered sugar. Mom, you might need to open this because it's kind of slippery.
Okay.
Okay, so she's
If I
gonna
can get
open
it.
that.
There we go.
And I'm just going to pour this on. Not gonna, I might use this all of it. Ooh, look at all this.
For the powdered sugar, I would just take maybe like a fork
Okay.
and then just kind of
And then I'll add on a little butter. So I'm just gonna take a fork.
the spray butter.
Yeah. Spray butter will be fine. And then I'm just gonna take a fork with powdered sugar on it and just kind of.
Oh, you could like sprinkle, like take
Yeah,
it.
that's what I was trying to.
Oh, but it didn't work. There you go.
Well, I was just kind of holding it in everything.
Because you don't want to get it in the syrup and then put it in the bag. But if you already did, that's all right.
No, I did. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit more.
Now, something that is healthier, 0-calorie butter is this Pancake butter spray. And Millie does like this, so.
Yes. Yes, I do. I'm just looking to
I
see.
can help you spread it a little bit.
Where's the sugar? Trying to see.
I think it's like 0 everything, I think.
Yeah, it only has 115 milligrams of
Sodium?
something.
Yeah, it's
Says
probably got
1%,
sodium, but
Okay, so I'm just going to spray this butter on the pancakes. I should have done that first.
your French toast.
I mean French toast. It looks like pancakes. Alright, so I'm just going to keep this with my pancakes just in case I
French
need
toast.
more. Are you kidding me? I keep saying pancakes. They look like pancakes.
There you go.
Okay, so I'm just
And
gonna
now you
use
get
this.
to go taste.
I'm just gonna stab it. I got another one.
Do you want to try to cut it? Or are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, careful.
It's a little hard because it's a little burnt underneath this one.
So what should you do differently next time then?
Oh.
Grab one that's not burnt.
Okay.
Maybe not.
That was kind of burnt. Well, I mean, they're all kind of burnt. I'm not eating this today.
Should you let your mother cook them next time? Or your father? How's that one?
Honestly, not that good.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. It just tastes bad. It tastes horrible.
I'm gonna take a little piece of it.
Yeah, I'm not eating this tonight.
Is it the bread, the syrup?
It's probably the bread, because I don't think I like Dad's either. I mean, that was healthy.
It could be the French bread.
Probably. Because it doesn't taste that good
All right,
at all.
here we go. I like it.
I don't. You can have it.
But you're not really a French toast fan, are you? Do you like French toast?
I ate French toast at Cracker Barrel.
Oh,
And I ate it at Cantina's with peaches
true.
and syrup. And
I don't know. This is really good. We'll save it for her
like
dad
it.
and see what he thinks. It's probably the healthy syrup that she doesn't like.
Probably. Or it's the burnt, like, toast.
I don't
burnt.
taste anything burnt though.
I mean, I think one of the bites I had, and like the first bite I took,
Yeah.
it was not hard, but it was,
Yeah.
I don't know, chewy or something. So,
Well,
try this out, and hopefully you like it.
leave a comment below if you tried it and you liked it, or if you tried it and you didn't like it.
So,
I give it a thumbs up.
I give it a thumbs down.
All right, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Chicken nuggets, please. Alright, that's all? Alright.